DoorDash's Dash Now feature allows drivers to start delivering immediately without scheduling. However, many drivers experience issues where this feature becomes unavailable or doesn't work properly. When working properly, Dash Now appears as an option in your driver app, allowing instant access to delivery opportunities based on current market demand. Problems with Dash now generally fall into three main categories that prevent drivers from accessing immediate delivery opportunities. Location-based problems occur when there are too many drivers in your area, when you're outside designated delivery zones, or when GPS accuracy prevents proper location detection. Eligibility requirements include maintaining a completion rate above 80%, having a customer rating of at least 4.2 stars, and keeping your account in good standing without policy violations. Technical malfunctions include corrupted app cache files, poor internet connectivity affecting real-time updates, and using outdated app versions that lack current functionality. DoorDash has recently implemented stricter market saturation controls, making Dash Now availability more dependent on real-time demand and current driver density in your area. This means fewer opportunities for immediate dashing during peak driver hours. Understanding these three categories of problems, location-based issues, eligibility requirements, and technical malfunctions, along with recent platform changes, helps explain why Dash Now may not be available when you need it. When Dash Now isn't working, there are three tiers of solutions to try, each with increasing success rates. Let's start with immediate fixes you can try right now. First, force close the DoorDash app completely and restart it. This clears temporary glitches that often cause the Dash Now button to malfunction. Next, check your internet connection stability. A weak or unstable connection prevents the app from communicating with DoorDash servers in real time. Third, verify your location accuracy. Make sure GPS is enabled and your phone shows your exact current location, as DoorDash uses this to determine market availability. Finally, clear the app's cache and data. This removes corrupted temporary files that can prevent proper function loading. If immediate solutions don't work, move to intermediate solutions with higher success rates. Intermediate solutions have an 80 to 85% success rate. Start by updating to the latest app version, as older versions often have compatibility issues. Review your account standing and metrics. Check your completion rate, customer rating, and ensure you meet DoorDash's current eligibility requirements. Try different geographic locations within your delivery area. Market saturation varies by location, so moving a few miles can make Dash Now available. If Dash Now isn't available, schedule a dash for a later time slot when demand might be higher or driver saturation lower. For persistent problems, advanced solutions offer the highest success rates at 90 to 95%. Advanced solutions require more effort but have the highest success rates. Start with a complete account verification review to ensure all your information is current and accurate. Contact DoorDash support directly for an eligibility check. They can identify specific account issues that prevent Dash Now access and provide personalized solutions. Perform a complete app reinstallation. This removes all corrupted files and ensures you have a fresh, properly configured installation. Finally, address device compatibility issues. Older smartphones may struggle with updated app requirements, so consider updating your device's operating system or using a newer phone. Remember that DoorDash's algorithm modifications and stricter eligibility criteria mean consistent Dash Now access depends on being the right driver, in the right place, at the right time, with the right performance metrics. Work through these solutions systematically for the best results.